Alright, well today we're going to upgrade my old trusty Synology 918 Plus with some RAM. We're going to try to get 16 gigs in it. Let's go. Right here where it says shut down. Alright, so then we'll pull everything apart and then we will get to cleaning it up, installing the RAM, and seeing if it works. Alright, well I got this thing out of there. As you can see, it is filthy. And let me tell you something. I clean this thing all the time, man, but it just attracts so much dust. And of course, I got some dogs, and somehow all the dog hair ends up in there. So we're gonna clean this thing up and then get it open. Find it out. But this is what I got. So it's 8 GB DDR, 1866 megahertz. I'll put a link in the description, but I don't know. Hopefully this RAM's gonna work. I guess we'll see. So let's get this sucker opened. And another thing too, on these hard drives, I'm not sure if it matters what bay they're in if you put it back, but I'm gonna put it back exactly where I took it out. Let's get it open. I almost forgot I have these locked just so they don't accidentally be opened. So that's another thing to consider. Don't forget, don't lose this key if you ever need it. All right, let's get these open. Alright, well right here, I'm just going to flip it sideways, and then you can see the RAM, the original RAM right there. Pull these little tabs, the RAM will just kind of pop out. Pop it out, I'm going to slap the new one in. You just stick it in, line it up, and just push it down, and it'll click into place. And then right there on the front is where you put the other one in. And that's it. That's all you got to do to install that RAM. Let's go. Alright, well unfortunately I didn't show the original RAM that was in there, but it was 4 gigabytes. So let's go ahead and go to where you can see it in the information center right here. If you look right there, you can see the 16 gigabytes of physical memory. So it looks like it worked. So it powered on normally, was no issues at all with that. You know, I mean, I did hear some issues about people not working, or just different type of issues, but I don't know, it seems to be working. And I guess time will tell. If I do have any problems or anything arises, I will make another video about it. But this is a 918 plus, just slapping 16 gigabytes of RAM. Anyways, everybody have a wonderful day. Peace.